up guys, I'm calling today. I've just done this little fiery look. Did this using the GVS Palace eyeshadows. So yeah, if you want to see this and have a little chit chat with me, just keep on watching. So we're doing what I do best, priming with the Australis original primer. Just shoving that all over my face, you know? Just the usual, nothing special. I never know what I'm doing. For eyebrows, I'm going to just go in with my brow pencil by Maybelline. So I'm going to prime my lids with the Fenty concealer just to see how this works. Okay, so my face is primed, my eyebrows are on, and my primer for my eyes are done. Like I said, I used the Fenty concealer. So yeah, let's just dive straight into this. What have you guys been up to? Is there anything you're looking forward to doing? Is there something coming up that you're excited about? Yeah, talk to me down below. Let me know what's going on in your life and let's chit chat. I don't know if you've seen, but I hit 100 subscribers today, officially. I know a lot of people probably think that's nothing, but for me, that's like amazing. I've wanted to hit that goal for so long and I've finally done it, which is really exciting. And yeah, I just want to say, for the few people who watch my videos and do support me, it means a lot. And yeah, I know it's really sappy, but I really enjoy doing this stuff and it's kind of really cool that people want to watch my videos. You know what I mean? Oh wow, I love being a sap. I'm just gonna dive straight in. My eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with Chip from the Colourpop Disney collection. And just put that on my eyelids. Just through the crease, just to give it a nice base. I'm always open for feedback, what videos you want to see. Is there any challenges? Let me know if there's something you would really like to see and I can try and get onto that the best I can. The Festival by GVS Palace. Use that colour. What's your favourite eyeshadow palette at the moment, or single eyeshadows? Whether they're neutral colours, colourful palettes, I'm always interested in finding new palettes, especially colourful ones. Can never get enough of new colours to play around with. I used to be so scared of colour and now I find I lean towards colour a little bit more than I would a neutral eye, depending on where I'm going. Which is surprising for me, that I never thought I'd be that person. Thought I'd be the same old. But if you want to see more neutral looks, let me know which one you like, whether you want more colourful ones, neutral, or a mix of both. Let me know down below, please. The Zulu palette, and use this orange shade. I would sit here and give you guys like a life update, but there's really nothing going on. I work, come home, do my thing, I work out what I want to film for the week. Even though it is only 2 videos, I still want to try and work out what I want to do. Trying to think of new things I can do for filming in future. Yeah, not really anything exciting, you know what I mean? do you guys do anything exciting throughout the week, whether you have school, work? Do you guys do anything exciting afterwards, or do you just like come home and chill out? Because that's my life 99% of the time. I just come home and do my own thing, go in my little corner and just, well, not corner, but like my own little shelf, I guess, and just relax, have a breather, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to go in with this colour back in the Festival palette and put that on the outer V. Okay, I'm going to get a brush that doesn't have anything on it and just blend this out a little bit more. And I'm just going to do the same for... Can you see the orange on camera anymore? I don't think so. I'm going to have to fix that. It's not showing up on camera, I don't think, but there definitely is still orange in this section just here. It shows up fine, like, to me. Does it? Oh, on camera, I don't think it is. And I'm also going to go in with this yellow. I feel like it looks like one big red hot. Does anyone find doing their face like just really therapeutic? Like, it just calms me down so much. Like, I just enjoy doing my face, even though I take it off after filming and taking some photos. But it's just like a relaxing process. Okay, so I'm gonna get my do the same on the other eye. And now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, if it wants to show that one. Put that on the center. Just gonna blend the edges so it looks a bit more smooth. So that's what we've got. So I've just done that with a yellow liquid eyeliner from NYX. I'm keeping my eyes down for a little bit just until it dries. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep my eyes like this until I feel like it's a bit more dry, because, you know, I don't want to stuff up my eyes anymore. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to use the same shimmer colour, this one, on my inner corner. So this is my eyes. And now I'm going to go in with my base. So my base isn't really that interesting. I'm going to go in with the NARS NARS Radiant Foundation in Oslo. Just going to put this all over my face. So my next few goals for YouTube is to hopefully put out 3 videos a week instead of 2. To hopefully be able to get more views of my videos. And to hit between the 200 mark. And now that probably doesn't seem much again, but I'd rather work for smaller steps and then eventually get to the bigger picture where I would like to be. But for now, sometimes baby steps is the best way. I would love to hit 300 straight after this. That would be amazing, but I'm going to work towards 200 and go from there. So now that's on, I'm going to, so next I'm going in with the Fenty concealer. Just setting this here. To be honest, I love how bright it is. I'm going to quickly set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder so that doesn't crease. Here and here. So next I'm going in with the NARS Illuminating highlight. I'm going to put a little bit on my beauty sponge. Just a little bit. And just focus it here. This is why I haven't powdered the rest of my face. Okay, now I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier powder for the rest of my face creases or anything like that, you know. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Random, but what TV series are you guys into? Because I'm always looking for new TV series to watch and I would really like some recommendations on that. I'm going to do my setting spray because I feel like my face is looking a bit dry and powdery. I'm going to get my ABH Moonchild and go in with Pink Heart. Oof, that highlight. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on my brow bone with a smaller brush. Just go in with my mascara. And now for lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner Bare Velvet. My lips. And that's it, guys. This is a finished look. I know I didn't really chit chat much through the video, but I hope it's okay. I really liked how this turned out, considering I was winging it and at first it just looked like a big red mess. But yeah, I'm really liking how my skin looks. The highlighter combo is my favorite ever. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.